What's the meaning of cashew? Cashew. Cashew.
Cashew. Cashew. Cashew refers to a tree that produces kidney-shaped nuts, which are considered to be delicacies. The cashew nut is native to Brazil, and it is now grown in tropical regions around the world. The nut has a hard outer shell, which must be removed to get to the edible kernel inside. Cashew nuts are packed with nutrients, such as protein and healthy fats, and they are commonly used in cooking and snacking. Additionally, cashew nuts have been shown to have potential health benefits, such as improving heart health and reducing inflammation.